to get into the People's Choice Awards, you have to walk down this path. Just walk by yourself. Guys, look who I ran into. It's Doug. Say hi, Doug the Pug. He's really quiet today. He's nervous. Guys, I think they messed up. Look at how close we are to the stage. It's kind of pretty scary. I'm gonna puke. I don't like fangirling, but I'm pretty sure that's Usher. Oh God. Oh my God, it's fucking Iron Man!
I'm gonna record your most
Guys, Charli doesn't know, but she's about to get slimed, and she's wearing that nice dress. Oh no. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my. Huh.
Yo, y'all got the new PS5, y'all got the new Xbox One, but y'all sleeping on the newest new. Y'all got the Arcanus X? Look at that. That looks like a gateway computer from 1999. Coming at you, Yishotari Electronics. I've never heard of it. Samsung, LG. No, I've got a Zengenix. Dopest new television from who knows where. Yikes.
God's name.
Okay. Ready? Do you like the new tune? Tony, this.
Hey guys, I don't usually hop in a suit and tie, but you're probably wondering why I'm dressed up so fancy. So I just got word in the morning that I might potentially win TikTok's Best Dance of the Year award.
Yo, Joe and I posted another podcast. Saturdays is only guests. So today's a guest. Wednesdays is just Joe and I. So if you want to hear Joe and I mumble, that's Wednesdays. If you want to hear a guest, that's Saturdays.
They're both great though. Swipe up.
Hey guys, Tony and I want to tell you that Cowgirl Clutch is having a 20% off sale today if you use the code NAT20. They have the cutest fur bags. They have my custom tote bag that I made with them, and I love them. So go check them out for 20% off.
Shoot it! Yo, hell yeah. I've never seen this here. It's literally hailing. That's little hail. Look at it hit the pool. That is so sick. Isn't that sick?
Yeah, that's wild.
Oh my God.
Holy shit! That's so cool!
Okay, if you lose rock, paper, whoever loses rock, paper, scissors is the biggest loser this entire trip.
Okay, bitch.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. People were saying how disgusting your computer screen was.
I know, it's really gross. He's crying.
You're crying.
What's up there? What's up there?
Yo, I know that last time the Twitch didn't work literally at all, but I promise you, we got it set up on the computer, so come watch.
What the f*** you?
Ready?
Focus on.
This is classically bold roast with a smooth finish, perfect to enjoy any time of day. Tasting notes include chocolate, fruit, nuts. Wow, and he's actually filming it.
Look how small Carly's feet are. She's wearing my shoes right now, while she's wearing her shoes. Smile. It's a video. You look so stupid.
Deal. Winning sexiest heartthrob.
Like $1 million. Holy tits and shoot.
It's for you too.
Really?
Have some.
Happy, happy birthday from the Chili's crew. We wish it was our birthday so we can party too. Hey!
Hey guys, what if I don't edit the vlog down and instead of 4 minutes and 20 seconds, I keep it at 4 hours and 20 minutes?
This is also the type of stuff that never makes it into the vlog. I just recorded this horse butt for like a good 20 seconds. It's kind of cute.
Chilling in the booth, got a Sonny Cabana.
Toby, high five. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. High five. This bag is literally bigger than you, bro. Oh my god. How many did you get?
Chicken sandwiches. It's
Just saying, the salad is missing flavor. It's not that good.
You're being a little sassy today.
Oh my god, shut up!
¿A quién tú le estás diciendo chaval? ¿A mí tú me estás diciendo chaval?
Good morning.
Guys, look at this new merch box. Oh, just kidding. It's cake. Oh.
Just kidding, it's not.
Just kidding. It's not. Okay, some parts of it are cake. Okay, that part's cake. That look. Okay, just kidding again. A lot of it is cake. Take this piece out just so we could see. Like. Oh, okay. That redeemed itself. Damn.
Guys, look at this. New merch is out. It's sick. The color's dope. And even Natalie looks cool in it. And you know that's fucking hard to do. So swipe up. Guys, look at this. 2 brands together. You got Views and the Dispo Teslas.
Oh my god, they know my name.
Does that say ginger for sale? You can't sell me, man. I'm your best friend. I have to pay rent to Zane, my landlord. Damn it. Well, who's gonna buy me?
Yo, I just drove by this house. Look at this shit. Hell yeah. That is Halloweeny as hell. Whoa, Ala's outfit is sick. Holy shit. Whoa.
Hey Bruce, don't fuck up.
I'm fucking up all day, bro.
Yeah. Bring you up. Yeah, come on.